How to set up booking services in Wix Studio. To do that, head over to your Wix Studio dashboard and go over to the apps and click on App Market. Now, once you have done that, this will direct to the Wix App Market itself. So click onto the search bar right here and search in here for Wix bookings. So bookings also help. Just click on that. And then in here, you should be able to see some search results related to that. I recommend you to install this one. Just click on this right here. And then from in there, you should be able to actually see it. So if you haven't installed it yet, just head over and click on install. I over installed this one so you can see it right here. And then once I've installed it, it will actually open up your Wix editor wherein it needs to be added. Once it's been added, it will show you up this Our Services part or page of your website wherein your members or your visitors can book your services. So that's how you set up booking services in Wix Studio. Will be helpful.